Okay, welcome to video 2 and buckle up. This is where it gets exciting. In this video, what I want to teach you is how to use your base term. In this instance, it's pest control, so change that to whatever the base term is for your niche. Then screen capture this page here, put it into the screen capture into ChatGPT and say, revise this to suit my base term, which is XYZ. And then you can do that also in Grok. Grok is really good, and also Gemini is amazing. And then you will get your own set of pest control examples that trigger a shadow query. So from pest control, we've got best pest control near me, emergency pest control, licensed pest control, etc. These are high search volume terms, and here is the search volume for those terms. Pest control near me, 300,000 searches per month. Exterminator near me, 135k. Cockroach pest control. So these are the base terms, and now we've got this. When anyone searches in ChatGPT for any of those, we can discover the shadow queries and create pages for those highly optimized for the shadow query long tail terms. And that's exactly what we're going to do now. So pest control near me, this one here, which has 300,000 search terms. Let's put it in here and see what it does. I will edit duration out just to make it faster for you, so you can see what it's doing down here. In fact, I'll just speed it up and come back once it's done. Bingo. Now, auto suggested, simulated, my simulated results, perfect. The competition. So let me just be really clear. Anyone on the Gold Coast who searches pest control near me, that has got high search volume, I can capture that in ChatGPT easily by creating 3 optimized pages that recommend my pest control service number 1, and I'll show you how to do that in the next video. Then when anyone on the Gold Coast searches for this, our page will have all the attributions from these pages, and it will come up number 1 in ChatGPT as highly recommended by the pages that it sourced to tell it that information. That is huge. What's important is that ChatGPT knows that I'm on the Gold Coast because of my IP address. So you can swap that out, Gold Coast to Brisbane or Gold Coast Australia to any location you like, and you can be pretty sure that these are going to be the same. You just change out these locations. That is huge, particularly when they have this term here has a global search volume of over 300k. Massive. So we can right click on there and go copy all, and I'll save those all to a text file. Auto suggested, copy all, simulated results, copy all, and there you go. There's no competition for these terms in Bing for pages optimized for these exact terms. This is huge. Let's try exterminator near me. Look, this is sensational. The longer tailed terms they are, obviously the easier they're going to be to rank for. This is like shooting fish in a barrel. Like, I'm flabbergasted. This is insane. So let's get back to, as I said, screen cap this page, get these same results for your niche. Then grab all these terms, copy them, go to Google, do deep research, and give me a summary of the search volume used in search engines for these terms. Do deep research and then you will get a result like this. And what it's done, it's determined this one here is not in this list. So it's come up with these terms itself. So now we've got two amazing collections of high search volume keywords related to your niche. And then we use shadow query software to find out the terms that ChatGPT uses to search the web to provide information about that search term. And you get this, which is insane, particularly when you know how to create highly optimized pages that will recommend your business above others in a manner that makes sense to ChatGPT in particular. And we will go over that in the next video. Thanks for watching.